Hello and welcome to another ETAS website tutorial video. Today we're going to make an event page and we're going to make sure it displays properly on the ETAS events pages. So first I want to take a look at exactly what that is, what it looks like. Then we'll go through the steps in the process and then we'll do the process together. So as you know, on the ETAS website, on the external events page, or also on the regional events or professional development days, all of the events appear in these boxes. Each event has a box, and these boxes are called teasers. And the teaser displays a summary of the event, or a summary of the page. So, as you probably know, if you click on Read More or you click on the title, it will expand and then you'll see much more detail about the event. You can have photos, you can have much more description and links and much more information than you can fit in this summary in the teaser. So how exactly do we make a new event? So first, obviously, we log into the ETAS website. Then we create a new basic page. We name the page and we write the summary. And then we add the page as a teaser on the events page. And after we do that, then we'll write the full description of the event. So let's go through this process together now. So I'm not logged into the website, so I will click the login button and I will enter my credentials. And then you will know you're logged in because you will see the editing tabs here and you will see the publishing controls at the top of the screen, and also you will see log out, and you will also see a help button where you will find a link to this video and other videos and tutorials about teasers and images and lots of other things on the website. So now we're logged in. So step 2 is to create a new basic page. And to do that, you need to go over to the content. Don't click on it, just hover over it. And then you want to hover over add content. And then you go down to basic page and you click on that little bar. And now we're in the page editor. So now I want to give our page a name. I'm going to call it website demo, and you don't need to copy it here. This is just something that I do. And now we've given it a name and we want to create the summary. So you might need to click the edit summary button to open it up. And so you can write a summary of your event. So my event is pretty short and I don't have much to summarize. But this is what will appear in that box on the events page. So before we save it, I would like to provide a menu link. And so I want to save it as a regional event, so I will set this as the parent. And this will mean that the name of the page will be text and not ETAS node. And I'm going to leave this to generate the automatic URL. So now I want to save this. And so you can see that there's a nice title here. It's under regional events. And there's no text here, because if you remember, I only put text in the summary and not in the body. So now let's add the summary to the appropriate events page. So this is a regional event. So I'm going to go to the regional events page. Where you can see other regional events which are not published. This is a nice way if you do a lot of events, you can just hide your page by unpublishing it. And then people who have editing rights can see it, but normal visitors to the website won't be able to see it. Okay, so like I said, I'm on the regional events page now, and I want to edit the regional events page. So I click on the edit button, and on the regional events page, I want to edit the teasers. So under the teasers, if you scroll down a little bit, here are the other pages that you saw there. So I'm going to, well, there's space at the top. I'm going to just start typing the name of the page that I just made, and then it will appear here. And so you select it, and all you need to do now is go down to the bottom and save. And you'll see it's going to be in the correct place. So now you know that your page is going to be on the regional events page. There will be a summary there. And so to edit this page, you can simply click on the little gears here and edit the page. And now I'm going to I don't think you need that much description about this particular event. Obviously, you can, when you make your event, you can use headings, you can use bold or italics and bullet points and add links and all the rest. So when you're done, just save your changes, and then you have your events page. So remember that if you have any questions during the process, you can go to the help section where there is a section about making an events page, or you can get in touch with me. So good luck with your events. I hope they're very successful, and I wish you a nice rest of your day.